Splash by Henrietta Branford and Rosalind Birdshaw. Sand in my ears, sand in my hair, warm wet sand everywhere. Sand in my belly button, tickling my skin. When I want to wash it off, I'll jump right in. Jump into the water, the icy, spiky water, shivery, shaky water from the deep blue sea. Deep down under, what can I see? A wriggly, squiggly thingajimmy-jig as tiny as a flea. Looks like a shrimp. Hidey-glidey, scuttle mops, 1, 2, 3, and a little pink crab who's hiding from me. Now I jump into the water, the icy, spiky water, shivery, shaky water from the deep blue sea. Take a quick dip off a big black rock, climb right up to the scaredy cat top. Flick my seaweed tail, comb my seaweed hair, then slide back down as fast as I dare. And jump into the water, the icy, spiky water, shivery, shaky water from the deep blue sea. Splash! The end.